Srinivasa. Akka. Akka. Amma. Amma. Srinivasa. 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 ఏం చేస్తున్నావు? రావాలి.
Midnight 12 o'clock is the starting time of AM.
Oh, tell me once again.
Midnight 12 o'clock is the starting time of AM.
Then what is the starting time of PM?
The starting time of PM. The starting time of PM.
12 noon.
12 noon. What's 12 noon?
Afternoon.
Afternoon.
Lunchtime, 12 o'clock. That's
Lunchtime.
start time of PM.
Again 12 o'clock?
Yes.
That means this time during lunchtime we eat, right? And that is the starting of PM.
Yes.
But then it takes the hour hand is taking another hour. That means it will be dinner time. That means it will be sleeping time during 12 o'clock. But that means it will be sleeping time during the 12 o'clock.
Yes.
So that means what will happen? We'll get in deep sleep. But again, now it becomes night during this midnight 12 o'clock.
Good.
During the 12 o'clock in the